Now in this lesson we're looking at probability basics. Now let's consider this. A red marble, 1, 2, 3. 3 red marbles, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 green marbles. We have 3 red marbles and 7 green marbles there, and the question I'm going to ask is what chance of picking a red? Alright, that's what probability is about. We're asking what chance something has of occurring. Well, we can see that there are 3 reds out of the 10 marbles, so we have 3 chances out of 10 marbles in picking the red. So therefore, P of red, okay, the probability of choosing a red equals 3 chances out of 10, 3/10. The other thing we'll consider is flipping a coin. Now when you flip a coin, you can either get a head or a tail, and we say that they both have an equal chance of occurring. So the probability of getting a head, okay, and look at how we've written it, P and then in brackets H, that just means the probability of getting a head equals 1 chance out of 2, okay, you have 1 chance out of the 2 of getting a head. In a similar way, the probability of getting a tail is also 1 chance in 2. So if we have 1 chance in 2, we write that as 1/2. Excellent. Let's look at an example. Now we're told that a fair die is thrown, and we're asked to find the probability of rolling a 5. Now if you throw a die, okay, remembering that the plural of die is dice, but if we're talking about one, it's just a die. If you throw a die, what we can get, and we'll write it in set form, we can get a 1, a 2, a 3, a 4, a 5, or a 6. That completes the set. So when you roll a die, that is what the results could be. So if you see them, there are 6 results. 6 different results there. Now, let's go back to our question. Find the probability of rolling a 5. Well, you can see that to roll a 5, it occurs once. It only occurs once out of the 6. So the probability of rolling a 5 equals 1 out of 6, 1/6. Part B, find the probability of rolling an even number. Well, let's have a look. 2's an even number, so is 4, so is 6. So we see then, to throw an even number, we have 3 chances. 3 chances out of the 6. So probability of an even number equals 3 chances out of 6. And this time, this fraction, 3/6, will break down. We'll cancel down. It works out to be 1/2. So we say that we have half a chance of rolling an even number. Now we're asked to find the probability of rolling a number less than 3. So number less than 3, well there's 3, but if we want the numbers less than 3, they are in fact 1 and 2. So the chance or probability of rolling those would be 2 chances out of the 6 results. So the probability of the number being less than 3, 2 chances out of 6. And again, this fraction will break down. It will break down to 1/3. Excellent. Well, that concludes our lesson on the probability basics. Good luck with your questions.